For our next lesson, I'm going to discuss separating homogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures are more difficult to deal with because they involve complicated procedures of separation. Most often, they require heat and the use of an apparatus such as distillation and filtration setups. Some ways to separate homogeneous mixtures include evaporation, distillation, dialysis, filtration, and paper chromatography or chromatography. Let's discuss first the evaporation. Evaporation, it is a process in which a liquid changes into gaseous form on heating, allowing the liquid to evaporate, leaving the soluble solid behind. Next technique, we have distillation. In distillation, the liquid substance in the distillation flask is heated to activate molecule movement and cause vaporization of the substance that needs to be separated. The vaporized matter goes through the condenser, where it is converted into liquid and collected. The heat is maintained to prevent the evaporation of the substance of interest. Next, we have dialysis. Dialysis is another means of separating homogeneous mixtures. The process separates molecules based on their varying rates of diffusion through a selective membrane. The membrane allows molecules to pass through it, but not all. The process of dialysis cleanses the blood by removing excess water and wastes from it. The kidneys perform the natural means of blood cleansing. When an individual's kidneys fail to function normally, he or she undergoes dialysis. This process is similar to mechanism of filtration. Next, we have filtration. Filtration, it is a process used to separate solids from liquids or gases using a filter medium that allows the fluid to pass through but not the solid. The term filtration applies whether the filter is mechanical, biological, or physical. The fluid that passes through the filter is called the filtrate. Next, we have chromatography. Not all separation methods for homogeneous mixtures are complicated. They are simple ones such as paper chromatography. Chromatography is a technique usually applied to separate the components of a dye. To carry out this process, a strip of filter or chromatography paper is needed. A dye is applied to the paper where with its bottom soaked in a solvent, example water or alcohol, to allow the dye to move. The distance traveled by the pigment implies the substance's degree of solubility or equality of the solvent. For a recap, we have 5 ways or techniques to separate homogeneous mixtures. We have evaporation, distillation, dialysis, filtration, and paper chromatography. That would be all. Thank you for watching. I am Teacher Kissy, your science teacher.